Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic multiplayer. This game offers an expansive world where you can connect with many other players. Whether you prefer competitive races, team-based trick challenges, or simply exploring the vast landscapes with friends, there are numerous ways to enjoy the multiplayer experience. Get ready to dive into the action and discover all the exciting opportunities awaiting you. Mass races are one of the most exhilarating multiplayer experiences in Riders Republic. Imagine up to 64 players all racing at once across diverse terrains, switching between bikes, skis, snowboards, and even wingsuits. These chaotic yet thrilling events demand skill and quick thinking. Aim for a top 3 finish to secure the best rewards and show off your mastery across multiple disciplines. For those who love showing off their aerial prowess, trick battles are perfect. These are intense 6 versus 6 team competitions held in dedicated arenas. Your goal is to perform the most impressive tricks within specific zones to earn points for your team. Coordination with your 5 teammates is key to capturing and holding zones, ensuring your team racks up the highest score and claims victory. Beyond the structured events, Riders Republic offers plenty of other multiplayer fun. You can free roam the massive open world with up to 5 friends, discovering hidden gems and creating your own adventures. Engage in faction play events to earn unique gear and show your allegiance. Plus, challenge your friends in custom events or explore the endless creativity of user-generated content for even more excitement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.